Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Thursday the 1st of June and I'm Nigel Croft. If you're not a subscriber to my YouTube channel, please do click that subscribe button. I want to get the subscriber numbers up. If you subscribe, you get emails from YouTube every time I put a new video on, which is on most days. However, there's going to be no videos tomorrow on Friday. I'll be back on Monday with the usual updates. In this video, I'm going to be looking at the Dow Jones. Haven't looked at it for quite a time. The bull trend remains in place and I would expect further upside. So this is the daily picture. And you can see that we're still above the 20, 50 and well above the 200-day moving averages. All the moving averages are moving in an upward direction, which is positive. We also did have back on the 9th of May a golden cross when the 20-day crossed the 50-day moving average. And so it's all supportive. And these will keep the market pushing forward. Perhaps we have lost recently a bit of momentum. You can see this on the RSI and the MACD. RSI's tracked sideways since about the 25th of May, but it's still above 50, so still good. And the MACD have started to roll, but the short term just marginally above the long term, which is still a sign that there is some positive momentum there. Really, on this chart, it could drift maybe below even the 20-day towards the 50-day, but then you would expect, excuse me, the upside momentum to continue and for a break further up. It was positive that the high on the 25th of May was above the previous high. Although it looks like now that the high that we had on the 1st of March is now becoming a resistance level. On any push up, one would hopefully expect that to be broken. If it fails again, then it could become a dominant resistance. You need to keep an eye on it. But at the moment, as I said, because of the moving averages, one should expect further upside. On the weekly picture, and you can see that resistance level that I've spoken about, but we're very close to it. Again, the moving averages are all positive, and here the RSI is well above 50, presently at 66.6. MACD just rolling down, but keep an eye on that one as well. That would only become a big influence if we fell back below the 20-week. You can see the 20-week, this yellow line, has given support on the week of 17th of April and then the 15th of May, which is a positive sign. On the short term, looking at the 4-hour chart, and you can see that we're gaining support from the 54-hour moving average. That gave support yesterday and is giving support in early trade today. Again, RSI just drifting down. Here it's now below 50, 44.98, and the MACD are tracking down as well, indicative that we are building up some downside momentum with this drift. Looking at this picture, you could see if you saw a consolidation around, coming back maybe to 29.50 in a longer term picture on this chart, you could then see a reverse head and shoulders with the left shoulder here, and then if it forms a right shoulder over here, and obviously that would be positive if we broke to the upside. So that's something to look out for, probably towards the end of next week. See what the picture looks like then. On the support resistance levels, resistance 1 is at the high of last week, 10 days ago, 21.105 spot 2. Then that high in March, 21.170 spot 2, with the supports coming in at 29.42, which is the 20-day, and 27.93. That has been TA for traders. Having a look at the Dow Jones. Still looks okay, does need to break through a small resistance level that we've got, but the moving averages should give that push through hopefully over the next week or two. Thanks for watching this video. Please remember these videos are for educational purposes only and are not meant as an investment recommendation. They're just my opinions. Please do read the disclaimer. Thank you.